So now just take a look. I am going to draw the slanting line. Here I am going to divide. I already have mentioned that I am going to divide the video in two sections. So this one is the second one. So here I am going to draw the slanting line. First I am going to draw the left side slanting line. So now take a look. First you have to mention, I will provide you the HW, then mention HW. Otherwise here I am going to take a regular class. That's why you have to mention CW. It means class work. Then date 17, the date, the month, and here the year 22. Okay. Then the subject English cursive handwriting. So this one here I mentioned the topic slanting line. Now just take a look and the of a spelling of this SLANTING, slanting. Then line LINE. So here I mentioned slanting line. So today I am going to draw the left side slanting line. So now just take a look. So here kids start from the dot. Okay. So I here first of all you have to hold your pencil in a correct manner. Okay. So hold your pencil firmly and tightly, and this is a dot, and start from the dot and slant down to the left. So this is called left slanting line. Again, start from the dot, slant down to the left. So this is called left slanting line or left side slanting line. So again, start from the dot and slant down to the left-sided slanting line. So again I am going to draw it. Start from the dot, okay, slant down to the left, and this is called left slanting line. Okay, here I am going to end it. Again I am going to draw and repeat it from the dot, then slant down to the left. So this is called left slanting line. So here I have just drawn the left side slanting line. So you will repeat it for 4 times in 4 lines. 4 times in 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again I am going to draw the right side slanting line. So from the dot, so from here I'm going to start it. So start from the dot and slant down to the right. This is called right slanting line. So from here, start from the dot and slant down to the right. This is called right slanting line. Again I am going to draw it. So start from the dot and slant down to the right is called right side slanting line. So start from the dot and slant down to the right is called right side or right slanting line. So again I am going to repeat for the last time. Start from the dot, slant down to the right and end here. So this is called right slanting line. So this one is left side. Okay, this one is left side slanting line, and this one is right side slanting line. Okay, so left side slanting line or left slanting line, and this one is right slanting line. Okay, and you have to hold your pencil in a correct manner. Okay, so again I am going to repeat it. If I will provide you the homework. Then you have to mention here the HW, the date, the subject, and the topic, slanting line. Okay, so please repeat it for 4 times in five lines. Okay, so 4 times but in 5 lines. Okay, if you have just only four, then write it down only four. Okay, in 4 lines, but must mean follow it that you have to draw it for 4 times in the lines. Okay, so here you have to draw it for 1 2 3 4 lines, 4 times 4 lines. If you have just only 4 lines, then you have to draw it only in 4 lines. 1 2 3 4 4 times in 4 lines. Or if you have 5 lines, then you have to draw it for 4 times in 5 lines. Okay, so but on the top of the topic, you have to mention the subject. In the left sided, you have to mention, as if you are doing the CW, then you have to mention the CW, the date. If I will provide him or her the homework, then must mention HW and must mention the date. Okay, here I'm going to show you, it is 17. Okay, so again I am going to repeat the standing line, because just for the kids who are too little to understand it or unable to understand it, that's why I am going to repeat the standing and the sleeping line again, because as they are the kids of nursery section, and also this is the first stages where I am going to take, I am just carrying my class and continuing my class. That's why I am going to repeat the standing and sleeping line again. So just follow me. So here I am going to mention the standing line again. So again I am going to draw the standing line from top to bottom. Just draw the standing line. Okay, from top to bottom, draw the standing line. This is called standing line. If you are draw like this way, this is not a standing line. So from top to bottom, like a standing, this is called standing. Okay, so this is called standing line. So from top to bottom, I'm going to draw the stand line. It is called standing line. So if you were too little to understand it now, so parents must follow me. So first of all, you have to draw the dots and tell them to join the dots. Okay, so first of all, must draw some dots like my way, and then tell them to join it. Okay, because like Orno, and I think Rishima, and also Shamraki is too little. They are too little. That's why I'm just telling you. Okay, so first of all, just draw some dots and just join them. Okay, so this one is standing line. And now I'm going to again, and I'm going to repeat the sleeping line again. Okay, so from this point up to that particular point, and you have to join the line. Okay, so from this point up to that particular point, and you have to join it. So from this particular point up to that particular point, and you have to join it. From this point up to that particular point, and you have to join it. Okay, so you have already learned it before in my previous class, but also I'm going to mention it, because I've already mentioned that the reason behind it. If here some of the kids are very little too little, so parents first of all plus draw some dots, okay, then tell them to join it, okay. This is the way. First draw some dots and then tell them to join it, okay. So start from here I am going to draw some dots and tell them from first dot to the last dot and join it, okay. So again I am going to repeat it. First draw some dots and tell them from first dot to last dot and join it. So this is the way. So again I am going to repeat it because it is not clear at all. So first draw some dots and tell them from first dot up to last dot and you have to join it, okay. So this is standing line and slipping line. Again I'm here I mention it, okay. And this one is the slanting line, the left side and the right side. Left side is this one and the right side is this, okay. And you have to mention the classwork, the date, the subject and the topic, okay. So here I am going to repeat it, the standing line and the sleeping line also, okay. So here parents just listen to me here, just follow my instructions correct way. And must here I'm going to give you some homework this of a standing line. So here you have to just to repeat it for the 3 lines or 4 lines, and the sleeping line for the 4 lines 4 times, 1 2 3 4 times in 1 2 3 4 lines. And again the standing line you have to draw it for the 1 2 3 or about 4 lines in 4 times, okay. So here I'm going to repeat it from this point up to that particular point and you have to join it, from this point to up to that particular point and you have to join it. Or for the kids, little kids, so first draw the dots and then tell them from first dot to the last dot and you have to join it with pencil from first dot